of 65 miles per hour. This storm was located near Saginaw, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Watauga around 3 p.m., Keller around 3:05 p.m. This will impact Interstate 35 west between mile markers 63 and 67. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside.